Hi, I'm going to be going over the simple process of replacing a ribbon cable latch on all 3DS systems. So this is just for the touch circle pad, backlight, microphone, 3D cables that look exactly like this one. If your connector looks different, check out my other video linked down below. So as you can see, my latch is still installed, so I just removed that real quick, and make sure your connector itself is still in good condition, so no bent pins or broken plastic. Now I'm just stealing a new latch from a donor board, or in my case, a new connector. Either works. And the connectors are available on eBay or AliExpress for cheap, so just a couple of bucks for a 5-pack. To remove these, it's quite simple. Just open the latch, pull up gently with some tweezers, and make sure you haven't damaged your latch. So if you've broken off any of the tiny ears, you'll have to try a second time. So that's why I recommend getting more than one connector at a time, especially if it's your first time doing this. So now you can see the latch I just removed with the ears still intact. And now we're going to have to bend up the gold contact pins on the board. To do this, I'm just using an X-Acto knife to gently bend the pins up. Make sure you're only bending them up a tiny bit, and don't let them bend side to side. Make sure they're all parallel and are not touching each other. They need to be perfectly straight, but make sure after a while my X-Acto knife fits underneath just barely. That's the perfect height. Now I'm just straightening them out a bit. It's a bit tricky while filming. So now it's ready to install the new latch, now that the pins are bent a bit up. These latches only fit one way, so make sure you have the smooth side facing outwards. And now you'll have to thread the pins through the 4 holes in the latch. So it sounds easy, but it's especially difficult while I'm filming, but it's not too hard. Just be patient and gentle, and it should work fine. And once that's aligned and all ready, it looks good, then just press down, close the latch normally, and I like to use my nails to push down the pins a bit just to ensure a good contact. And yeah, that's it. Pretty easy, right? It's relatively simple. Yeah, good luck, and let me know if anything goes wrong. I'll be in the comments, and if you're located near Germany, I offer repair services, so just contact me and I'll see what I can do.